Alright, 2008 Scion XB. Today we're going to be changing the valve cover gasket. What you need is a valve cover gasket. I got this for $38 at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Remove the engine cover. Remove your coil packs. And you need to unplug the coil pack. Just push in on the connector. Or you can even just move them out of the way. Make sure to know which order they go in. Go ahead and remove this 10mm. It looks like we need to remove this one from the alternator. Move that hose out of the way. Remove this clip, just pinch it, pull it backwards. Then remove the 10mm bolts starting from the inside and work your way outwards. With all the screws removed, let's go ahead and pry up on this. Use something plastic because metal can damage the aluminum. Let's go ahead and lift this off. And that gasket is very stiff. It's like plastic. And the reason I knew to change this is because this whole side of the motor is leaking. Got most of that gasket off. Let's go ahead and clean up the mating surfaces. Alright, we've got this gasket all cleaned up nice. Now we've got that gasket pressed into place. Then let's clean up this surface. So grab a cloth, a plastic scraper, and remove all the excess material. And scrape it away from the engine so it's not going inside the motor. Alright, we got that valve cover all cleaned up. We scraped off the gasket with a razor blade. And then it's important to put a dab of RTV here. You can scrape off the old one as well as here, because as you can see, this is where the part of the motor comes together. There's a seam. Once that's seated, go around the perimeter to make sure it's sitting even. Let's go ahead and reconnect our two hoses. Our two bolts with the washers go on the inside. Start them by hand so you don't cross thread. Make sure to refasten your wiring harness. Let's go ahead and torque them down. Let's go ahead and fix our hose back here. Pinch the clip and slide that over.